Hi there. Previously I did a couple of videos. One of them was episode 28, which I featured this TIDRADIO wireless dongle, and episode 29 where I featured this TIDRADIO H8. And the reason I featured these was because of their wireless programming capabilities. So with the dongle you could plug this into a Bofang if you wanted to, and through an app on your cell phone, which is called the ODmaster app, you can read and write information from the app to the radio. I thought that was pretty cool. And you can do the same thing with this H8 because it has built-in Bluetooth. And I've been able to successfully read and write from the ODmaster app on my phone to the H8. And recently, TIDRADIO added some new functionality to the web version of ODmaster. And basically the idea is that you can, through the Bluetooth on your computer, go onto the web version. In this case, I had to use Google Chrome. I guess Firefox is not supported, but through the Google Chrome web browser, connect your radio through Bluetooth, and then read and write from the browser to the radio. And I thought that was pretty cool, so I decided to give it a shot. Unfortunately, I had some mixed results, and I'll jump over to my laptop and share my screen here in a moment to show you what I mean. Okay, I'm in front of my laptop and I'm logged into the web version of ODmaster, and for those wondering, I'm running Windows 10. And again, I'm using the Google Chrome web browser because that's supported. So if you look at the upper left-hand corner of the browser, you'll see this grayed out Bluetooth logo and then connect to Bluetooth device. So if you click on that, it'll start searching for your radio. And on this H8, it's this second button down from the VFO button. And I don't know if you can see that, but if you press it on the display, you should see a Bluetooth icon appear. And now Bluetooth is turned on, and I'm going to refresh this really quick. So now I'm going to click on connect to Bluetooth device, and it'll start scanning. And unfortunately, like I said, it's been really hit or miss. Sometimes it finds it and sometimes it doesn't. And after it scans, if it doesn't find your radio, if you click rescan, sometimes it will locate it. And then you can select it and then click the pair button. Unfortunately, when I was able to get it to connect to Bluetooth, I tried to go into the radio and have it read and write from the browser, and it just would not connect. It wouldn't read from the radio. And so I attempted to pair the radio to my machine by going into the Windows settings and trying to find it that way. And again, I had very mixed results. And I'll click rescan again because you can see it didn't find it the first time. Maybe it'll find it the second. But I spent a good 30 minutes trying to get this thing to work with the H8, and I just didn't have any success. So I got desperate, and I'm just going to cancel this. So I got desperate, and I connected the wireless dongle to the H8, and it was able to find it when I scanned for it. Unfortunately, I still wasn't able to read or write to the radio from the web version. So I connected the dongle to a UV5R to this one. And if I go back up here to connect to Bluetooth device, it found it right away. So if you click on it and then click pair, it will connect to the radio right away, or the dongle rather. So I'm not sure why I was having issues with the H8. And I was able to successfully read and write to the UV5R. So if I actually click on that and I go to add, and I'll click on read, you'll see that it's transferring the programming data from the radio to the web browser. And it's actually pretty fast when it's working properly. But I tried to troubleshoot on the H8, and I was wondering, maybe there's something wrong with the Bluetooth since I've, last used this thing. And I attempted to read and write from the ODmaster app on my cell phone, and that actually worked. It worked just fine. I was able to read and write with the cell phone. For whatever reason, it doesn't seem to be working very well with the web version. I don't know why. But for anyone out there that's been tinkering with this, if you know the reason why, or perhaps I'm doing something wrong, maybe it's user error, but I wanted to post this for anyone that might be just struggling and kind of banging their head against the wall trying to figure out why this isn't working with the H8. But I wanted to let you know that it seems to work fine with the dongle and a UV5R. Anyway, that's all I've got for now, and thank you for watching.